Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote the olsp system with my lead gen secret. There are three things you need to have. One is the olsp mega link. If you don't have it, you can go here to sign up for one. This is an affiliate marketing system that I have been promoting, and I have made over 10k with it, so it's totally legit. The second thing that you need to have is my lead gen secret. This is a traffic system. Once you join my lead gen secret, every day they will send you 100 to 200 emails a day, and you can send any of your offer to these email leads. Okay, so you can send any, but you can send only once every 24 hours. So the third thing that you need to have is an email swipe. If you join me with my lead gen secret and also the olsp system, but you are a mega link member, you can DM me so I can send you 60 email swipes as a bonus. Okay, so you can work with my lead gen secret. These are high converting emails, and if you join me with my lead gen secret and you are also a team builder, you can DM me because I will send you more than 1,000 email swipes, so you can start promoting on my lead gen secret. And you can go to hithanhdotcom/MLGS here, so you can start my lead gen secret account. Okay, so I already get my mega link. Okay, I can copy this link, and here are the emails. Okay, I will send you the emails. For example, this one, you can copy the title, you can copy the body, because in my lead gen secret, now if you look at this, these are all cold email leads here. Every day they send me 200 email leads, so that means in 1 month I'm gonna get 6,000 cold emails. And my job is to build connection with them. I need to build trust with them, and I have a huge vision for this program. So now let's start mailing. You can click on mailing system here, then you can choose select all like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna mail 9,800 leads, and I'm going to choose send from my name, and this is the subject. I already create one so I can save time. And now I have the body, and this is the body that I already type it down like this, so you can see it all here. Okay, and remember, when you promote your offers to these leads, you are building trust, you are building relationship with them. So you should have your Facebook or anything that they can message you, and you can add your profile picture like this. And to do this, I often go to my Facebook profile, and I will copy image address, and I will click on this picture button right here. You see that one? And I paste it there, and it will show it here. And I'm going to choose the size 200 and 200, and when I press OK, I will have this image like this. Next, you're gonna click on perfect timing. Oh, I forgot, you need to insert your olsp link. For example, you can hyperlink and click on this hyperlink icon here. I put my Facebook URL here, so it's wrong, and I need to go back and copy my mega link. I need to copy this one, and I'm gonna paste here. Okay, this is my Facebook link. Okay, that's good. And also I need to scroll down, click here to start now, and I can hyperlink it like this. Okay, now I can just scroll down, click on perfect timing, and click send email. After it's sent, it will show the countdown timing here. Okay, you see that one, and I need to wait 24 hours before I can mail them next email. Okay, so basically it's how easy it is to start working with my lead gen secret. It's only $1 a day to get 100 to 200 email. So if you are interested, you can start it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on my Facebook right here. Make sure you are DM me on the right Facebook, facebook.com/dailypaysite, because there are so many scammers who cloned my profile and they promote, many scams. Remember, you should and you need be safe on this space. Okay, so I hope you best luck. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Have a great day and bye-bye.